Hi, in this grid tool tutorial I will show you how you can use the grid tool as a design aid. It's perfect to trace over. When you open the grid tool located here, you can adjust the sizing of the grid. This example will be shown in metric, but if you are using imperial, simply type in feet or inches. The grid tool is particularly beneficial for masonry construction or any other kind of wall type in which you are constrained by material lengths. For example, the traditional brick size in Australia is 230 millimeters long. In the UK, it's 215 millimeters long, and in the US, for the modular brick, it's 7 5/8 inches. To ensure that you are drawing the walls in your project to suit your brick gauge, all you need to do is simply set your grid size to the size of your brick plus the perpen thickness. In Australia, this is typically 10 millimeters. So for me, I would be setting my grid size to 230 millimeters plus 10 millimeters equals the 240. When you're happy to draw your grid, all you need to do is press submit and then left click anywhere in the SketchUp environment to start. You don't need to hold down your left mouse button and pull in the direction. You can make it as big or as small as you want to suit your project, and then left click to place. Now if we zoom in to the Australian brick, you will see that it is perfectly aligning with this grid reference. And now if I were to make a copy of this brick and I can place it exactly on this intersection, you can see that my bricks are going to line up perfectly. Now you can open your Plusspec wall tool, choose the brick that you want to use, but obviously ensure that that brick is actually to that sizing. And now you can use the grid to trace. To select an intersection, you'll note that the little dot will turn into an X. And that means that you are exactly on the intersection. So just left click and then start to draw. Obviously you can come anywhere on the line as reference, but when you go to an intersection, it will turn to the X, and that means you know that you are being accurate. And as you can see, if we zoom in, I am drawing exactly to my brick gauge.